If you're a fan of Cullin Park, sadly today he posted on his Instagram that he will be out for the remainder of the 2024 Supercross season, saying that he had surgery last Wednesday, I believe, if I remember correctly, and it all stems from a heat race crash in Detroit where you can tell he just comes up short, puts his arm out, natural reaction, and then boom, typical crash. Just you put your arm out to help yourself, stop yourself, whatever you want to call it. It's involuntary, I guess you'd probably go with that. And well, you said that he had to have some anchors put in to help secure the tendons in it because he did dislocate his wrist. So they were probably a little bit moved around themselves. But that is the end of his 24th season. I don't know if it's the end of the complete season, if Phoenix is even racing outdoors. Somebody in the comments below, if you know, if Phoenix plans or Phoenix runs an outdoor team, comment it down below. Tell me if I'm wrong or if I'm right or whatever. But either way, he's done for the Supercross season, which sucks because you never want to see something like this. People put in all the work, all the time and effort to be healthy and, fit for it, the team, all the mechanics and everybody, and then one simple little crash and boom. But comments below, you tell me. Did you like Glendale? Are you excited for the next race? Who do you think is going to win the 250 West, 250 East, and the 450 overall titles? Whatever it is, comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.